How to fix Play Store problem. In this video guys, I have the solution how to fix this on your Play Store, so just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go directly in the open apps option. Here you can search only for your Google Play Store. When you found it, open it like this and then go to storage. On storage, click on clear data, click OK, also clear cache, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now what you should do, you have to go to notification, you disallow it like this and allow it again like this. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.